What's going on, YouTube fam, and welcome back to another video. I just want to say to you guys, thank you for watching my video and liking the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video right now, subscribe to this channel right now, and go ahead and browse my other videos. So no further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching that video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. I do want to tell you guys we do have updates coming in on more of the classic cars. We have the Firebird, we have the Trans Am, we have more on the boats as well. We have more on that 68 Charger that you guys love so much. So if you do want to see more content on those classic cars, go ahead and give this video a like, go ahead and comment down below, and definitely subscribe to the channel. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for all your support, and stay tuned for my next video. All right, peace.